SME Finance is quite a challenging area to do banking in. In fact, there's quite a gap, a huge gap, and that's called the funding gap, of course. And we believe that gap is there because there are three main topics in the SME lending space which impedes financial institutions or banks to step in. That's first regulatory pressure. That's of course not only in SME finance, but I think in any financial space currently. Secondly, competition. Competition is increasing. There's many new players, many new market entrants. And third one is legacy. So the incumbents, the players that are already quite some, that have been around for a while, they have to deal or maybe even to combat with legacy systems. And it's exactly those three topics that we had in mind when we developed Fyndoo. So as for regulatory stuff, of course, we try first also besides the technology to bring intel about regulatory things. We really try to understand, to help banks with the pressure that they feel for regulators, and also try to prepare our solution, our tech platform, to be adaptable towards those new kinds of regulations. That's one. Secondly, competition. That means that you have to be fast, that you require short time to market, that you can keep up with all the players around you. So the things that you need to be, let's say, quite flexible is all based on no-code principles in Fyndoo. Last one, we understand, we know what legacy is, and let's say that we try to prepare our own technology ecosystem so that we can just wrap our solution around legacy systems and slowly Pac-Man them to finally end up with a fresh, modern, adaptable and agile technology platform. So that's basically the three main reasons to stand out from other, I think, kind of.
Yeah, thanks. Well, it's great to be here. I think the main differentiator for our platform is that we really put the customer at the front and that we really designed everything in-house so that we can have the best customer experience from start to end. So other players usually they buy different kind of software packages together and then you have like a disjointed experience, and what we really do is we look at it from the customer's end and really develop the solution in-house to be seamless for the customer, like the best customer experience that you can possibly have. So instead of talking to a bank for 3 months, going back and forth, sending paper around, we do everything online. And if you are in touch with us, you get a very personal approach with someone who's actually seen your data already and can really help your business instead of going back and forth on like the color of the pen was wrong or some stupid bureaucracy. So that's I think a very important differentiator. And the second one is the decision. So we make the decision based on data, which means I think we make better decisions.
For that question, I'm Erik van Loon. I work with November, and well, actually our company is right in the middle of SME Finance because we're a software as a service company, and we help out lenders to manage their inventory-based loans, their stock loans. So, and inventory-based finance is really quite big actually with SMEs. So I think we're an important player in that market. We've been there for I think just over 6 years right now, launching customers in Aerle, and they're actually putting their entire portfolio of stock finance on our platform, which obviously we're very happy with. And we're really noticing the benefits of the platform already. So because you can have a portfolio view of your stock loans, it means you can move to a really risk-based way of working. You can give much more information on what's going on with your borrowers, which really helps to deepen the dialogue between you and your clients as a lender, and ultimately helps you to come up with better tailored financial solution that helps your clients out. So I think we're actually right in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's always fun, especially after having, I think, 2 years of hard times, if it is about networking and meeting up with like-minded people. So that's great that we can finally do that again. I think as for the Holland Fintech Meetup, it's really well good to be here. It's like perfectly balanced in terms of content, in terms of people hanging around over here, easygoing. I think the atmo is really good, and also the after talks is really okay. So I'm very happy to be here, and of course we are the host today, so that made it really even a bit special for us. But happy to be here.
We've been a member for quite a while, and I think it's super important to be here and also to show yourself. It's great to give a talk also, because then people have questions and then they see you, so you don't need to go past everything one by one, and having the opportunity to speak really accelerates the networking. It's super important to be in touch with the ecosystem, because there are many players, like some of the others that pitched today, that I've already been in touch with, like, hey, maybe we can work together, because if we cannot do some kind of loan, maybe they can. And then we can help our customers better, or maybe they can help with financing, or there are so many areas in this industry that we can work together on. And I think that's, I've already had those conversations just now. So it's
just feel happy, just take in the vibe and get to know other people, see what everybody's doing, what technologies everybody using on one hand, but on the other hand also what kind of business models are out there. It's always nice to learn from other people and to get inspired. I think that's basically it.